In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a document for signing in DocuSign. We'll walk through the full process from your dashboard, all the way to sending the document out to your recipient. By the end, you'll know exactly which buttons to click, what information to fill in, and how to make sure your document is ready to be signed. Start by going to your DocuSign dashboard and signing into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the option labeled Get Signatures. This is usually one of the primary actions available on the home screen, and it's what you use whenever you need someone else to sign a document electronically. Click on Get Signatures to start a new envelope. Next, you'll be asked to add the document you want signed. Click on the Upload button. This will open a file picker window on your computer or device. From here, browse to the folder where your document is stored, select the file, and confirm. DocuSign supports common file types like PDF and Word, but it's always a good idea to check that your file opens correctly before uploading. Once the document is attached, you'll move on to adding your recipient details. In the recipient section, click into the field where you need to type the name of the person who will be signing. Enter their full name as you would like it to appear in the agreement. Then, in the next field, type in their email address carefully. This is critical because DocuSign will send the signing link to this email, so double check for any typos. Below that, you'll see a subject line field. This becomes the subject of the email your recipient receives. Type a clear, concise subject that explains what the document is about, such as Agreement for your review and signature. Under the subject, there's a larger message field. Click into this area and type a short, friendly message explaining why they're receiving the document and any key instructions, like deadlines or what sections to pay attention to. When your recipient information and message look good, click on Next, Add Fields. This will open a view of your document with a toolbar of fields on the side. From the list of available fields, click on Signature, then click again on the place in the document where you want the recipient to sign. You can drag and reposition this field if needed, and you can also add other elements like dates signed or initials if your document requires them. After placing all necessary fields and reviewing the document layout, you're ready to send. Go to the top or bottom of the screen and click on the Send button. DocuSign will now email your recipient with a secure link so they can open the document and complete their electronic signature. That's the full process for sending a document for signing in DocuSign.